Hello, welcome to Easy English. Over the past few months, I've given you loads of tips on how to integrate yourself into Britain and the British culture. But what if you're already showing the signs of being British? How would you know? I'm going to give you some of the symptoms that would reveal that you are in actual fact secretly British. Here we go. Number 1. Worrying you've accidentally packed 3 kilos of cocaine as you enter customs. Number 2. Not being able to stand and leave without saying, right. Number 3. Not hearing someone's name for the 3rd time, so just pretending you have.
Hello mate, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Blah, blah,
Sorry, again?
blah, blah,
I'm really sorry. One more time?
blah, blah.
Yep.
Number 4. It's just the last house on the right. Saying, anywhere here's fine, when the taxi's directly outside your front door. Anywhere here's fine, thanks. Number 5. Being sure to start touching your bag 15 minutes before your station, so the person in the aisle seat is fully prepared for your exit. Number 6. Repeatedly pressing the door button on the train before it's illuminated to assure commuters that you have the situation in hand.